How to log someone out of your Roblox account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to log someone out of your Roblox account. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing. So let's dive right into it. This guide is applicable to both mobile devices and computers. So if you suspect that someone else might be logged into your Roblox account, or if you suspect a hack, I'll show you how to log them out and secure your account. Firstly, access your settings. If you're using a Roblox on your computer, click on the gear icon at the top right and select Settings. On the mobile app, tap on the three dots at the bottom right and select Settings. Next, navigate to the Security section, and on a computer, locate the security option at the left-hand side. Scroll down to the bottom where it indicates the devices you're currently logged into. If you spot a location you don't recognize, click on it and select Log out of the session to remove that device. If there are multiple unrecognized sessions, choose Log out of all other sessions as well. After logging out of all the sessions, or just the unfamiliar ones, go back to the account info settings, and by clicking the back button on the top left, change your password by clicking on the password section, and then follow the prompts to set a new password. Once done, return to the security section and enable the two-step verification for added security. This ensures that each login requires a unique security code, enhancing your account's protection. And if you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.